stays on channel 19. Right, Highway 420M. It's been nicely resprayed the right colour at some time. We're going to run with our standard replacement mic, and at the end of the video we'll test it to our base station also with the factory original mic which has come with the radio. This is from an end user. We're also running on our power lead, the one he sent with. It's very skinny, and before this comes off the bench tomorrow I'm going to see whether the radio will actually do 4 watts with the power lead provided. So it's chatting away as usual, and people never change channel. I had to do quite a lot to this. No transmit receive because the dry joints on the VCO section. No transmitted audio for 2 reasons, and then I've had to change the RF control because somebody's broken it, putting one of the knobs back on. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that. I'll plug my extension squeaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
And you get the biggest speaker on these, the 3.5-inch speaker. This is the same chassis as the Rotel 240. Roger, now got the speaker on.
Roger that, we'll go.
Roger. It's not the lower end version of the Cyberne 134 like you find in New York 861. Not there's any difference in range, it's just selectivity or bleed over on receive because you've got an extra receive circuit on this. So if I didn't say it already, this is my favourite model of all time.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so I'm heading up the lane towards the end of it, passing the passing in place and doggy daycare, which probably isn't in use, but it's too dark to tell.
Roger on that, I didn't turn off the tannoy system.
Roger.
Which means I can hear myself coming over the speakers because we have a Fidelity 3000 base station in a cupboard plugged into the background music system.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Lancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that, you're going through Lancaster Crossroads. You did say you're going to one of the German supermarkets. I could do with some milk, please, over.
Yep, roger that. Top of the hill now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, but you're superbly going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I've got you superbly going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
I'm on a Harvard 420M, upper end Cyberne 134 set from 1981. On a standard replacement mic, really doing a full forward output there.
Roger that. All received. No problems.
Just roger that.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, you're going over Wilford at level crossing. Channel 6, quieter than it was yesterday.
Good. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got your line and go at the 5 mile point. Starting in Harvard 420M from 1981, Cyberne 134 upper tier chassis, and we're using standard replacement mic, doing a full 4 watt output stroke 1.2 amps. So we're going to go to low power, so just 400 milliwatts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go around 400 milliwatts, radio time range, 520 milliamps, full power. There we are back on full power, over.
Yep, no problems on full power. There is some interference my end, so it was struggled to hear you on low power.
I can hear some kind of gurgling noise in the background.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was getting. Not now, though, of course.
No, roger on that. Okay, have to go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roxby level crossing. Over. Yacht 141.9 and 149.7.
Excellent, that worked really well, thank you very much.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10.
And 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roxby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Roxby, a level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
You got 141.9 and 149.7.
Excellent, that worked really well, thank you very much.
Roger that,
10-10. Well, as predicted, that was brilliant. And we had the receiving note 0.21 microvolts, so absolutely super duper. We'll go over to our base station. We'll start off with that mic, then I'll swap it over for the factory original.
Tango 21, testing the Harvard 420M into our Midland 76900 base station, which has exactly the same shaft speed. Testing 12345 54321. We'll pop it on low power. This is a hum test. The rubber hum it would diminish on low power. Testing 123 on low power and then back to full power. I'm going to swap mics now, go to the factory original. Hi, testing on the factory original mic, testing 12345 54321 into low power, same reason. 12345 low power.